Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites, your plan's cap, billing cycle, and any throttling rules. Once done, open your phone's data usage meter and set the cycle dates and a warning at 80%. Then immediately restrict background data for non-essential apps so they stop pulling bytes without asking. This saves data right away and gives you a baseline to track usage. Make sure to leave messaging and essential apps allowed. You can fine-tune specifics next. Now you focus on execution. Control when and how apps use mobile data. You should disable automatic app updates and schedule them for Wi-Fi only. This prevents large, unexpected downloads. Once done, lower streaming quality to 480p or choose audio only for podcasts and music to cut data use drastically. Also turn off Wi-Fi assist or smart network switching unless you need it. Automatic switching can burn mobile data. Finally, review heavy apps. To complete the process, you'll validate and lock in savings. Check your weekly usage and adjust warnings and app permissions based on patterns. Turn on System Data Saver and consider a compression VPN for repeated long trips, both reduce bytes. If you see an unexpected spike, don't panic. Toggle airplane mode to halt transfers, reboot the device to stop rogue services, and inspect sync settings for photos or backups. If that fails, contact your carrier with exact meter readings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.